The Delta State House of Assembly has passed the Delta State Pest Control and Responsible Ownership Bill. Receiving the report by the Joint Committee on Agriculture and Natural Resources, Health, Environment, Oil and Gas, led by the Chairman, House Committee on Agriculture and Chief Whip Honorable Pekis Umukuru, the lawmaker told the House that after its meeting with relevant stakeholders, the Joint Committee came up with recommendations to amend some sections of the bill.
The Joint Committee, after the careful examination of the bill, see that the Constitution of the Federal Government of Nigeria 1999 as important, it was the view that the bill be amended in the manner stated in the amendment attached to this report.
The Majority Leader, Honorable Emeka Nwobi, then moved motion for its third reading and passage, seconded by member representing Ndokwa West, Honorable Charles Emetolo.
That the Delta State Pest Control and Responsible Ownership Bill 2024 has been sustained, been now read the third time and passed.
Ndokwa West Mr. Speaker, why is my vote this morning to second the motion taken by the Majority Leader?
Thanking lawmakers for their dedication, the Speaker, the Right Honorable Emomotimi Guo, said, given the estimated population of dogs in the state as over 600,000, the passage of the bill will curb the challenges encountered in the spread of rabies in the state.
The passage of the bill, the state government through the local government councils will be able to put in place control measures to ensure safety of humans, dogs, cats, and effectively share the outbreak of rabies.
The bill, when assented to by the state governor, will see to the licensing, control, registration, and responsible ownership of pets in the state.